Hello there. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can configure an extended name ACL to block ICMP packets. So we can access the remote server from this network, but we don't want to send ICMP request that is ping to access the server to check the reachability. So let's first check whether we are able to ping or not, and later I will show you how can we block this. Let's wait and see. Now we are seeing that we are able to ping. And we are able to access that web server also, right? Now we will configure an extended named access control list so that we can able to block the ping. Note that ping is not a TCP or UDP based protocol, it is an ICMP based protocol. This is the interface towards our LAN. As we are in global configuration mode, we need to type do before the right memory command. Let's check whether the access control list is activated or not. From router, it is showing that it has been activated just now. Let's check from our PC. We can able to access the web server via our browser. What about the ping? As our access control list has been activated successfully, so we won't be able to ping the devices on the remote network. If you have liked my videos, Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye bye.